can't believe how many was in there. Mate. Just let me clear my nose.
Get the booger out,
I'm
eh?
gonna get all the booger out.
Oh, hey, look, it's your beard.
Oh. Wait a minute.
I'm gonna need this for sure.
This is the mode I kind of want anyway, so I'm going to roll with that one.
Yeah, I think this is more me.
What have you done? Oh, okay.
That's what bubbles are for. Alright.
Oh, I'm going for it.
Wait. We'll pull out at the count of 3, right?
Okay, wait. Ready? Alright, I can't breathe.
You ready?
No.
Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Holy heck, look at that.
Jesus Christ.
That's an inch bloody long.
Jesus.
Ah, that was, oh, look at that. You got it this time, buddy. That's amazing. Whoa.
I got a couple of years on you, so
I
that's why I got the old
don't
man
know
ones.
what is
Wow.
going on there.
For an Aussie, mate, you did pretty good.
I feel like I can breathe better.
Look at that.
No more whiskers. You can't say I look like a rat.